Check out this 2009 Jeep Liberty Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are brake assist, engine immobilizer, cargo shade, security system, power door locks, CD player, bucket seats, front side airbag, and AC. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.